Hi guys, this is Saurik from SADA AGEY. It's a passion of everything. From this video, I am going to explain about the whole syllabus of basics of computer engineering. So let's start. Let's start with the computer. Introduction of the computer. Computer is an electronic device which processes input based on the instruction provided and generates the desired output. The word computer is obtained from the word compute, which means to calculate. So a computer generally considered to be a calculating device that can perform operations at very faster rates. Computer is programmable, that means we can instruct the computer to perform a variety of tasks through programs. Computer on its own cannot think or perform any task. As a user, we have to specify the task. Computer is a machine that simply follows the instructions given to it. Now going to the functionalities of a computer. If we look at in a very broad sense, any digital computer carries out the following 5 functions. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, Step 5. In Step 1, takes data as input. In Step 2, stores the data or instructions in its memory and uses them as required. In Step 3, processes the data and converts it into useful information. In Step 4, generates the output. In Step 5, it controls all the above 4 steps. So this is the block diagram: input, process, output. Now going to the characteristics of a computer. There are the 5 characteristics of a computer: inputting, storing, processing, output, controlling. Whereas going to the inputting refers to the processes of entering data and instructions into the computer system, whereas storing refers to the process of saving data and instructions so that they are available later. In processing, it refers to performing operations on data to get the result. In output, it refers to the result of processing. Whereas in controlling, it refers to directing the manner and sequence in which all of the above operations are to be performed. Now going to the powerful characteristics. The following are the characteristics which make computer so powerful and useful: speed, accuracy, consistency, storage, flexibility. And also binary, digit, nibble, byte. Byte is basic unit of measurement of information. Byte consists of 8 bits. Now explaining about speed. Speed of computer is measured in milliseconds. Computers work at very faster rate. Computers are accurate. Computers give results with great accuracy. Computers will never give wrong results. Computers give wrong result if instructions given to it are improper. Whereas going to the consistent. Computer are consistent means for the same problem, computer gives same results. Computer can store huge quantity of data and its data can be retrieved instantly. Apart from all the advantages, computer also have one disadvantage, that is, they are not intelligent, which means computer cannot think on their own. Whereas going to the bit, a bit is a binary digit taking a logical value of either 1 or 0. Whereas nibble is equal to 4 bits. Whereas going to the byte, a byte is a basic unit of measurement of information storage. In many computer architectures, it is a unit of memory addressing. Byte consists of 8 bits. Now going to the type of bytes. There are different types of bytes. There is 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes, whereas 1 MB megabyte is equal to 1024 KB, whereas 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB, whereas 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 GB, whereas 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 TB, whereas 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 PB, whereas 1 zettabyte is equal to 1024 EB, whereas 1 yottabyte is equal to 1024 ZB. Hardware. Hardware refers to objects that you can actually touch, like disk drives, display screens, keyboards, printers, boards and chips, etc. In contrast, software is untouchable. Now going to the software. Software means computer instructions or data. Anything that can be stored electronically is software, in contrast to storage devices and display devices, which are called hardware. Software is often divided into 2 categories: system software and application software. System software includes the operating system and all the utilizers that enable the computer to function, whereas application software includes programs that do real work for users. For example, word processors, spreadsheets and database management systems fall under the category of application software. Now going to the firmware. Firmware is a software that has been written on to read-only memory (ROM). This is a combination of software and hardware. ROMs, PROMs and EPROMs that have data or programs recorded on them are referred as firmware. This is about the introduction of the computer and some of the characteristics of the computer. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and in the next video I am going to tell about